Hello, today I want to share with you a short and simple meditation. It will work for beginners, so if you've never meditated, all you need is a comfortable sitting position and the ability to breathe. So let's start. Close your eyes. Take your deep, mindful breath. Fill your chest and your belly with this breath. And breathe out. One more time. Breathe in like you fill yourself with love. And exhale like you're sharing your love with the world. Relax your facial muscles, your eyes, your mouth, your nose. Relax your shoulders, rib cage, your belly. Trace where the tension is in your body. Direct your breath to these parts of your body. Fill them with love and gratitude. Feel how your breath melts this tension. And the tension is disappearing. Mentally, touch your entire body, consciously paying attention to each part, to each organ. Feel your unity, the unity of your body and soul. Like the state of your soul and your body is connected. Ask yourself, how does it make you feel? What does it give you? Are you changing? Try to answer these questions in your mind. The space around you fills with you, and you're filled with love. Let your love light up this day, and slowly open your eyes, and don't forget to thank yourself